Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening shortcuts and creating a new shortcut. This gets you into the editor so you can chain actions. First, tap plus and pick your initial action. Choose an app action for automation, scripting for logic, or URL for web calls. Once added, name the shortcut so you can find it quickly. Make sure to enable Show in Share Sheet or Add to Home Screen when appropriate. That lets you trigger the shortcut from other apps or the home screen. Next, build the middle logic. You wire actions together and choose how data flows. Use variables to store results if to branch behavior and repeat for loops. Dictionaries pack complex data. When you need user input, add Ask for Input or Get Latest Photos. This lets the shortcut receive text, numbers, or images. Once configured, test each section with Run Shortcut and inspect results. If a value is wrong, trace the variable outputs. This explains why the flow failed and where to fix it. Finish by adding final actions that deliver output. Show result, save file, or run Java script for web tasks. Once done, configure accessibility. Add to home screen, place in a widget, or export and share the shortcut file. Make sure to set icons and labels so you recognize the shortcut quickly. If something breaks, check permissions first, photos, contacts, or files, then verify variable names and action order. Often a wrong variable or missing permission is the only thing stopping the shortcut from running.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.